Thanks so much for hanging out with us tonight. Tamanika's back for a new Let's Try It, brought to you by 815 Microwave Dips. We are continuing to celebrate Black-owned businesses this month, so we got one with deliciousness, which is my favorite category of life.
So today we're trying Siika Herb Honey Co. raw infused honey and herbal teas.
Okay.
So we got tea. We brought tea.
We got the tea. Okay.
And we're gonna try it with some graham crackers too.
All right.
So let's infuse our tea really quick first.
This is not our Let's Try It tea. It's just tea.
No, this is just regular tea.
This is
just
your
regular tea. Yes, this is tea from home.
Okay.
Because I'm a tea girly.
You're a tea girl.
I like
tea.
Coffee.
I am a evening tea.
Really?
Tea makes me go to sleep.
I like tea all times of the day. Shout out to my mom though, because when we were younger, we used to, well, I was younger, you know.
She was younger too?
Yeah, she was.
Let her be younger.
Nah, she was. When my mom was younger, we would sit right before like the sunset, we make tea and watch the sunset and drink tea.
At night?
Yeah.
Oh,
and I think
she goes to bed at like 3 o'clock.
And I think that's why I like
morning.
drinking tea, because I have like a happy memory with it.
Yeah, that's good. I like to drink tea at night when I'm like, Michelle, stop eating more snacks. Just drink some tea, please, and go to bed.
Okay.
That's where I roll in the tea.
So let's try, while we wait for our tea, let's try it with the graham crackers.
Okay, so 2 different flavors.
Yes, 2 different flavors. This is Mama Raw Honey Infused with chocolate, mint, rosemary, and candelua.
So this is Freddie. Raw honey infused with pimento pepper.
It smells good.
It smells so good. Okay. Is Freddie, do you know who these
Freddie?
people are?
No.
Okay.
No, I do not know who Mama and Freddie is. Probably related to her though. But Siika means...
Pause, you keep going.
Oh, Siika means wealth, luxury, esteem riches.
I'm back.
In Ga. Oh, we can use a knife.
Yeah.
Which is Ghana language. It's the language for Ghana.
That's what Siika means?
Yes.
S-I-I-K-A, right?
S-I-I-K-A.
It's pretty, that's for sure.
Spread
My
easy.
nephew Madden loves honey.
Does he for real?
Yeah.
You know, I didn't know you could put honey in your tea, like when you're sick, until I got to college.
You can put honey anywhere.
No, for real. But I didn't know it was supposed to help you though.
Oh yeah. I'm waiting for the kick of the pepper.
I do want to try the pepper one.
It didn't kick me, in a good way. I was a little bit nervous. Wait,
You got it?
Okay, now you really try.
No, I want to try that one.
Oh, that was a little, here, don't mix them. Don't mix them.
Here, this is the one.
Okay, this one smells so good. It has chocolate, mint, rosemary, and I don't know what calendula is.
Calendula.
But whatever it is, I'm ready to try it.
Okay.
That took a long time for that pepper to hit.
I want it to hit. I want it to hit.
It'll hit. You just gotta talk about it for like 30 seconds first.
Oh.
Did it hit?
It kicked in.
And this one's much sweeter.
It kicked in.
I like them both, but I'm definitely more of a sweet.
I like this one.
I don't like pepper like it pretty often.
I like this one.
I'm gonna put the sweet one in my tea.
So the lady, only uses her honey from small family-owned and operated bee farms.
So different farms help create the honey?
Different farms help create honey. Different bees.
So good. Raw honey is really good for you too.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just like good for you. You know those things that are just like good for you?
Good for you?
Especially because they're natural. And you know, she just said she used from like good farms and stuff. I don't know.
Farms.
You gotta look it up. There's like, you could probably write a novel about why honey's good for you. It's good for you. Listen, Winnie the Pooh knew.
But on her website, make sure you guys go to her website, SIIKA.com. And she gives you like, it's called, I'm gonna mispronounce it, but called Makuyo's Diary. Okay. And she gives you like different ways and tips and tricks on how you can use honey, not just for food, like you use it on your face, you can use it in your body, use it in your bath.
Well, that makes sense.
It's pretty cool.
It's like smoothing,
it's
right?
Cool. Yeah. Excuse me, it was really cool. You can make a face mask. Like when when I tell you, she got a lot on there.
But you have to create, you don't just put honey in.
Yeah, no, you gotta like use other stuff. Yeah. But yeah, like she gives you different. I didn't know you could do all that with honey until I went on the website and looked it up.
I'm excited to check this out a little bit more. It's perfect too because, you know, Monday after the big game is the, you know, it's the #1 day that people call in sick.
Why? Because they up all night watching the game.
Yeah,
that makes sense
busy
though.
Celebrating
that
or
makes sense.
Not celebrating.
Not celebrating if your team lost.
So you need some health the day after, right?
Get the honey.
Also, you know, it's wedding week.
Get the honey. It is.
So like, this is a great way to, if you are me and you like tea to calm down.
Yes.
Stress.
Or it'd be cute for like a charcuterie board at your wedding. Put the honey on the side with your crackers, your fruit,
or
your
all the other parties you have leading up to. So it's SIIKA.
Herb and Honey Co.
Right. So that's what you want to look up. I need to
Let's try. Let's try. I didn't try mine yet.
Oh, you didn't? Mm-mm. Good. Well, it's tea and honey.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Especially if you're trying to stay away from sugar. Get a healthier version?
There's sugar and honey.
Is you for real? Is you sure? I don't think so. I don't think so.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
How sure?
Like everything I own
Has.
I mean, there's sugar and honey.
But I feel like this is a healthier
It
option.
is. You're right.
Healthier option.
But like not all sugar's bad for you.
Yeah.
We'll talk about that a little bit later on our own time. Coming up next, your fan of the week question is all about weddings. We'll be right back.
All this February, Good Day State Line is proud to celebrate Black History Month alongside Rock Valley College.